Forex trading is like a big, exciting game played worldwide. Imagine people trading currencies like dollars, euros, and yen to make money. That's Forex. People trade currencies for many reasons, like traveling or doing business. In Forex, we try to buy a currency at a lower price and sell it later when it becomes more valuable, just like buying low and selling high. Forex trading happens online, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's a vast and fast-paced market with many opportunities to learn and grow. Let's imagine you love chocolates, and you know the prices of different chocolates in your school. You notice that your favorite chocolate bar is selling for $1 at lunchtime, but you think its price might go up later. You buy 10 chocolate bars at $1 each. Then, during the afternoon break, the demand for your favorite chocolate increases because everyone wants a sweet treat. Now, the price goes up to $1.20 per bar. You decide to sell all your chocolate bars for $1.20 each. You make a profit because you bought them for less and sold them when the price was higher. Forex trading is similar. We buy a currency when we believe its value will increase and sell it later for a profit. In Forex trading, just like in our chocolate example, the goal is to buy a currency at a lower price and sell it at a higher price to make a profit. The difference between the buying and selling price is your profit. However, remember that the price of currencies can go up and down, just like chocolate prices can change. If the price goes down after you buy a currency, you might experience a loss. That's why it's crucial to learn about Forex trading and understand how to manage risks. Remember, never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Forex trading can be exciting, but it's essential to stay calm and make rational decisions. Don't let your emotions control your trades. Always have a plan. Just like you wouldn't buy all the chocolates in the store without knowing if others would buy them, don't trade currencies without a strategy. Learning about Forex trading takes time and effort. Don't give up if you face challenges initially. Keep learning, practicing, and developing your trading skills. Many resources, guides, and tips are available to help you become a better Forex trader.